Talking about hobbies.
Hey, how are you?
Good, thanks. And you?
I am fine too.
What are you doing today?
Not much. I have a bit of free time.
That is nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Which books do you read?
I like novels and crime stories.
That sounds exciting.
And what are your hobbies?
I like to do sports.
Which sport do you do?
I often go jogging.
How often do you jog?
3 times a week.
That is a lot.
Yes, it helps me relax.
I believe that. Do you have other hobbies?
Yes, I like to listen to music.
Which music do you listen to?
Mostly pop and rock.
I also like to listen to music, but more calm music.
To relax?
Yes, exactly.
Do you play an instrument?
No, unfortunately not. And you?
I play a bit of guitar.
Oh, that is cool.
Thanks.
Do you like to paint or draw?
No, not really. But I like to take photos.
What do you photograph?
Nature and cities.
That sounds interesting.
Maybe we can take photos together sometime.
Good idea. When do you have time?
Maybe on the weekend.
That works well.
Great.
I am looking forward to it.
Me too. Talking about music.
Hey, what are you listening to?
I'm listening to music.
What music are you listening to?
Right now I listen to pop.
Oh, do you like pop?
Yes, a lot. And you?
I prefer rock music.
Really? Which bands do you like?
I like classic rock bands.
That is cool.
Do you listen to rock sometimes?
Yes, now and then.
What music do you play when you study?
Mostly calm music.
Yes, it helps me focus.
Do you listen to music at work?
Yes, almost always.
With headphones?
Yes, otherwise I get distracted.
I understand.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, last year.
How was it?
It was really good.
I haven't been to a concert in a while.
Maybe we can go together.
That would be nice.
Which female singer do you like?
I like international artists.
Me too.
Do you listen more in the morning or evening?
Mostly at night.
I listen to music all day.
I can't live without music.
I agree with you.
Music just makes me happy.
Yes, exactly.
Talking about food.
Hey, have you eaten yet?
No, not yet.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am really hungry.
What do you like to eat best?
I like pasta a lot.
Me too. With which sauce?
I like tomato sauce best.
That is classic.
What do you like to eat?
I like salads.
With or without meat?
Mostly without meat.
Do you eat vegetarian?
Yes, mostly.
That is interesting.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, but only simple dishes.
For example?
Pasta or rice?
That is quick.
Exactly.
Do you prefer eating at home or at a restaurant?
I prefer at home.
Why?
It is more relaxed.
That is true. Do you like sweet food?
Yes, very much.
What do you like most?
Chocolate.
Me too. Do you like cake?
Yes, especially on the weekend.
Do you also bake yourself?
No, sadly not.
I bake sometimes.
That is cool.
Maybe I will cook for us sometime.
That would be great.
When do you have time?
Maybe tomorrow.
That works well.
Then I look forward to the meal.
Me too.
Asking for directions?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, sure.
I'm looking for the nearest supermarket.
The supermarket is very close.
How do I get there?
Go straight to the intersection.
Okay, straight to the intersection.
Then turn left.
Left, got it.
Walk about 5 more minutes.
Is it far from here?
No, it's not far.
Do I cross a big road?
Yes, but there's a traffic light.
Good to know. Is the supermarket big?
Yes, it's quite big.
Do they have fresh fruit?
Yes, right at the entrance.
Perfect. Is there a bakery nearby?
Yes, right next to the supermarket.
That's handy. Are there clear signs?
Yes, there are signs.
Can I get lost?
No, not really.
How long is the supermarket open?
Until 8 p.m.?
Great. Thanks for your help.
No problem.
Are you from around here too?
Yes, I live here.
Then you know the area well.
Yes, a bit.
I'm new here.
Then welcome.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Thanks, you too.
Bye.
Bye. Talking about family.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Did you talk to your family today?
Yes, I called them this morning.
That's nice. How big is your family?
We are 4 people.
Who is in your family?
My parents, my sister, and me.
Is your sister younger or older?
I have a younger sister.
How old is she?
She is 18 years old.
Do you get along well?
Yes, we get along very well.
I'm glad. And your parents?
My parents live in another city.
Do you see them often?
About once a month.
That's not so rare.
Yes, we try to meet often.
Do you have grandparents too?
Yes, my grandparents are still alive.
Do you visit them sometimes?
Yes, as often as possible.
That's nice. How is your family on weekends?
We are usually relaxed then.
Do you meet for meals?
Yes, we often eat together.
I like that a lot too. How is my family?
Your family seems very warm.
Yes, we are very close.
You can tell.
Family is very important to me.
Me too.
Nice that we could talk about it.
Yes, that was nice. Talking about work.
Hey, how was your workday?
Pretty good.
What did you do today?
I had many meetings.
That sounds tiring.
Yeah, a bit.
Are you working late today?
No, I'm off early.
That's nice. What's your job?
I work in an office.
In which field?
In marketing.
Interesting. Do you like your work?
Mostly, yes.
What do you like about it?
The work is varied.
That is important. Are there also stressful days?
Yes, sometimes vary.
How do you handle stress?
I take breaks.
That is good. Do you work in a team?
Yes, with 5 co-workers.
Do you get along well?
Yes, we have a good team.
That means a lot. Do you work from home?
Sometimes.
Do you like that?
Yes, it saves time.
I also work from home sometimes.
That is convenient.
What do you do after work?
I relax.
For example, how?
I go for a walk.
That sounds good.
And you, how was your work?
Also good, but a bit stressful.
Then you need a break now.
Yes, that's true.
Let's get a drink later.
Good idea.
Talking about learning English.
Hey, are you learning English now?
Yes, I'm learning English.
How long have you been learning English?
For 1 year.
That's a while.
Yes, but it's not always easy.
What do you find hard?
The grammar is hard.
Many people feel that. Do you learn English in a class?
Yes, I take a language class.
How often do you have class?
3 times a week.
That's good. Do you also study at home?
Yes, I practice every day.
How do you practice?
I read texts and listen to podcasts.
That's a good method. Do you also speak English in daily life?
Yes, as often as possible.
With whom do you speak English?
With co-workers and friends.
Are you afraid of making mistakes?
Yes, sometimes.
That's quite normal. Mistakes help you learn.
That's true.
What do you enjoy about learning English?
Learning new words.
Do you have a favorite word?
Yes, the word cozy.
That is a nice word. Why are you learning English?
I live here and need the language.
That's good motivation. Do you want to speak English fluently?
Yes, that's my goal.
You will do it for sure.
Thanks, that motivates me.
Do you prefer to study alone or with others?
With others.
Then we can practice together.
That would be great.
Then we'll speak English more often.
Gladly. Talking about health.
Hey, how are you today?
I'm okay, but I'm a bit tired.
Did you sleep badly?
Yes, I didn't sleep well.
That's not good. Are you often tired lately?
Yes, especially during the week.
Are you working a lot now?
Yes, I'm very stressed.
Your body feels that quickly.
That's true.
Do you exercise right now?
Not as often as before.
Maybe you need more movement.
Yes, maybe.
I often walk in the evening.
That's a good idea.
Are you eating healthy now?
Not always.
What do you eat mostly?
Often fast food.
I know that. Do you drink enough water?
Probably not.
That is important for health.
Yes, you are right.
Have you been sick lately?
No, luckily not.
That's good. Do you visit the doctor often?
Only when I am really sick?
Checkups are important too.
Yes, I often forget.
Do you try to avoid stress?
I try, but it's hard.
Breaks often help.
I should do that more.
Do you listen to your body?
Sometimes too little.
Then take better care of yourself.
Thanks for the tip.
Health is the most important.
You are absolutely right.
Take good care of yourself.
I will do that. Talking about his routine.
Hey, what does your day look like, and
I usually get up at 7 a.m.
what do you do first in the morning?
I shower and make coffee.
Do you drink coffee each morning?
Yes, nothing works without coffee.
Do you also eat breakfast?
Yes, I usually eat toast.
When do you leave for work?
At 8 o'clock.
Do you drive or take the bus?
I take the bus.
How long is the trip?
About 30 minutes.
Do you listen to music on the way?
Yes, almost always.
What do you do at work?
I work on the computer.
Do you take breaks?
Yes, a short break in the morning.
What do you do during the break?
I drink another coffee.
When do you finish work?
Usually at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go home.
Do you cook in the evening?
Yes, I cook something simple.
Do you eat dinner late?
No, rather early.
What do you do then?
I relax.
How do you relax?
I watch shows or read.
Do you also study sometimes at night?
Yes, I practice English.
When do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m.
Is that the same every day?
Mostly yes.
Do you like fixed routines?
Yes, they give me structure.
I understand that well.
And what is your routine?
Mine is similar.
Talking about vacation.
Hey, did you take a vacation this year?
Yes, I was on vacation in summer.
Where did you go?
I went to Spain.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Yes, it was very relaxing.
How long were you there?
2 weeks?
That is a good time.
Yes, I could rest well.
Were you alone or with friends?
I was there with friends.
What did you do?
We went to the beach and the city.
Did you travel a lot?
Yes, we visited several places.
How was the weather?
Mostly sunny and warm.
Perfect for a vacation.
Exactly.
Did you eat good food?
Yes, very good food.
What did you like the most?
The tapas were great.
I believe that. Did you take many photos?
Yes, a lot.
Will you show them to me later?
Yes, sure.
Did you also have time to relax?
Yes, almost every day.
That is important.
Yes, daily life is often stressful.
Do you want to travel again soon?
Yes, maybe next year.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe to Italy.
Italy is great.
Have you been there before?
Yes, I love Italy.
Then you can give me tips.
Gladly.
Vacation is simply important.
I agree with you.
You gain new energy.
Exactly.